that we get a mix of everything, every flavor, so that we're successful in life. That's what we
First, I would like to second Shahzad, for one thing, right? It is said that if you put yourself on fire, people from 1,000 miles come to see you burn, right? So people on the YouTube, they're putting on themselves fire, with respect to the enthusiasm they carry, the passion they carry, and the speaking skills they have, right? To speak in front of people, right? If you ask around 100 people that what is your biggest fear, they don't say cockroaches, they don't say lizards, they don't say rats. It's speaking to a group. They feel it difficult to talk about. So now, if I come about having a skill set, I believe that we need to have a blend of education and skill set. Any one missing link may backfire you.
True.
This is very important, right?
Or might expose you even, and for that I have an example too as well. That film Leonardo DiCaprio acted in. Great Gatsby.
Catch Me If You Can.
Yeah, Great Gatsby. Because Great Gatsby, he wasn't educated, but he got all the millions from this other gentleman who died, who was living all by himself.
But how many people are lucky like him, Shahzad?
No, that's not what I'm saying. What I'm trying to say over here is that one day, God forbid, if you miss any of these flavors, you might be exposed. And then from